I was really struggling with basically my direction in life. Did I want to keep the business? Did I want to just go and get a job? I was just feeling really stuck. I think that the Success Mastery course it's real life. So you don't have the buzz and then you go back to your reality. It is reality that you can bring all of these principles and skills and knowledge into your life to bring the buzz into life. So my business has gone to a whole new level since having done Dan's course. You do feel like you're almost the only person in the room when you're being taught. So it's like you're getting that one-on-one coaching even in a group environment. I think that's something that's really special. The communication with my partner has become so much better since having done the course. We are able to communicate on a better level where we seek to understand each other before having an opinion about each other. We address challenges when they arise, and I think just staying in the laws of exchange with one another has allowed us to be more connected and just love each other more fiercely. Dan is probably the most selfless person you would meet. He's very caring, he is very knowledgeable and skillful, and so that just comes across in his teachings. You feel powerful in his presence, and I think that's really cool. I would recommend anyone who is struggling with their life's purpose, if they're struggling to choose a path on the direction that they want to take their dreams and their goals, I would recommend those people to do the Success Mastery course.